So I'm starting with moisturizing my skin. My skin is feeling so dry these days. So I mixed a drop of glycerin into my moisturizer. It will prevent any kind of dry patches. Applying sunscreen is really important under your makeup. Doesn't matter if it's day or night. In the end, sunscreen is going to protect your skin from harmful lights, pollution, and of course sun. After applying sunscreen, you can avoid primer, but I always like to use primer because I think primers really minimize the pore size and also provides a smooth surface for your foundation. इवन टोन बेस के लिए कलर करेक्शन काफ़ी ज़रूरी हो जाता है ताकि आपका बेस कहीं से भी ऐशी और ग्रे ना लगे एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टारगेटिंग ऑल द पिगमेंटेड एरियाज ऑफ माई फेस लाइक एरिया अराउंड माई माउथ एंड माई एक्ने स्पॉट्स एंड आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ माई फिंगर. So here I am mixing two foundation. Fit Me is my exact shade but it does oxidize, so to prevent that oxidation I mixed it with the Nykaa foundation and it gave me my perfect match. Even after this it might oxidize but that will be completely fine because that's what I want. It will not be too dark or too light. It will just be the perfect match for my skin. And here I am blending it out with the help of beauty blender. I love the finish. Now I'm setting my foundation. आप लूज पाउडर भी काम में ले सकते हो और कॉम्पैक्ट भी जो आपके पास हो. Now setting my base with the setting spray. Now time for eyeshadow. I always mix eyeshadows. Here also I am mixing two colors for my crease line. One is brownish orange and another one is light mauve. Here also I am mixing these two shades for my eyelid. This is the shimmer shade I really like. It's shiny yet subtle. Now doing the classic winged eyeliner as always. Time for mascara. Now adding some life to my base by applying blush and contour. I like to apply blush on my cheekbones. It makes my face look more structured and not too round. So yeah. I like to use setting spray twice or thrice in my full face makeup routine. Now I'm lining my lips ताकि लिपस्टिक अच्छे से लग जाए. So as you can see I went with the color mauve for my eyes and lips and it was looking so beautiful. लिपस्टिक के लिए भी मैंने दो कलर काम में लिए. पहला तो मॉव और दूसरा लाइट ब्राउन. Now I'm applying highlighter on high points of my face. I'm applying kajal in the waterline, a very thin layer. With that bindi, I finished my Diwali makeup look 2021. I know bindi थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, वो मैंने ऑफ कैमरा सही कर ली थी. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.